what we're doing here is showing you how to do URL redirect. And the really obvious question is, what is a 301 redirect or a URL redirect, and why would I do it? Sometimes when you've renamed collections or products or pages, there's a little checkbox that pops up and says, do you want to redirect? The answer to that should always be yes. If that hasn't been checked, or there's a few other ways it can occur, you might find that you're getting errors and pages not found. And that's what we've got in this situation here. And you know that's the case because we'll copy this link, and if we paste it into a browser, what it will give us is this page not found error. And that's obviously not very good for customer service. And what we need to do is come up with an alternative place to redirect people. That's the old link. This is the new link. And if we copy this, we just want to be doubly sure that the new link is in fact a good link. It should take us to the correct collection instead. That's not really helpful. Okay, so what we would do is figure out which collection you want to take to. So lightings, fans, accessories, perhaps there. And we'd grab that link because it's obviously a good link. You just need to figure out which is the most appropriate link for your situation and just go, okay, so I'm going to map this. I'm going to redirect this one here to that one there. And you'll do that for every one of the errors that you've been given by your SEO people or the reports you've run. So once you've got those values, the before value and the after value, what you're going to do is go into the admin of your website and go to navigation, which is under online store. So online store here, then navigation. Up in the top right hand corner, there's the URL redirects. And all that says to your system is if somebody's looking for this URL, somebody's looking for this web page, send them to this other web page instead. So we're going to click, and these are ones that already exist on your site. And we're going to add another one. Now just be aware, Shopify somewhat helpfully puts the URL in front. So before we copy and paste, we can remove it, or we can simply tidy it up once we've pasted. So I'm going to paste our old URL in there and just get rid of what's already duplicated in this bit here. It should always begin with a slash. That's your old collection. And go back to the new collection. And once again, get rid of the urban lighting in front, collections, fans, accessories, and that'll add the URL redirect. Now I'm not going to add this because I'm not quite sure exactly which collection you do want to send people to, but when you're happy that you're sending them to the right person, add that redirect. And if you discover you've redirected people to the wrong place, you can always delete it later. Search here and then delete. Now what you might find before you'd go and put them all in is simply, so you're not having to get rid of them individually, replace all those. So it just gives you the part of the string that you need. Now, if you've got thousands of these to do, which you might have in a situation where you've changed from one type of website to a Shopify website, there's an app called Traffic Control, which will let you do them as a bulk update from a spreadsheet. And if you've got more than 20 or 30, it's probably worth investing in that app. Happy mapping!